Most investors overlook VGT, thinking tech stocks are too expensive right now. But successful investors know that the fastest way to capture massive market returns is through exposure to technology. That's where VGT comes in. Without the hassle of picking individual stocks, this ETF gives you a piece of the technology revolution driving the global economy, from AI, cloud computing, semiconductors, and software. If you want explosive growth potential in your portfolio, VGT demands your attention. Part 1. What is VGT? VGT, the Vanguard Information Technology ETF, is a fund that tracks the MSCI US Investable Market Information Technology 25/50th Index. In simple terms, it's a basket of the biggest and fastest-growing US tech companies. By investing in VGT, you're effectively buying a slice of the technology sector without needing to choose individual winners or losers. Part 2. Key characteristics. VGT has several qualities that make it stand out. First, it's 100% technology, giving you high growth potential. It also comes with low fees, with an expense ratio of just 0.09%. On top of that, it offers diversified growth, owning hundreds of tech companies to reduce single-stock risk. And it's built for long-term potential, ideal for investors who can handle volatility and aim for maximum upside. VGT is high growth, high reward, but it can be volatile. Tech stocks are often the first to sell off in market downturns, so this ETF is best suited for long-term investors ready to ride out the swings. Part 3. Top holdings. Some of VGT's largest holdings include tech giants driving the future companies such as Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Visa, and MasterCard. These companies account for a large portion of VGT, meaning your investment rides on the biggest innovators in tech. Part 4. Performance. VGT has been one of the best performing assets over the past 10 years, delivering an average annual return of over 22.5% and a cumulative gain of roughly 250%. That means a $10,000 investment a decade ago would now be worth over $70,000 effortlessly. It's rare to find an asset with this kind of growth, especially one backed by some of the world's largest and most innovative companies. Even in volatile markets, technology continues to drive long-term compounding, which is exactly what makes VGT so powerful for investors. Part 5. Why invest in VGT? VGT is perfect for investors looking to maximize growth. Investing in VGT is essentially betting on technology's unstoppable impact on the global economy, something we see every day as tech becomes more integrated into our lives. This ETF offers diversified exposure, high growth potential, and low fees. Simply put, VGT is your ultimate tech growth engine. Part 6. Real-world example. Imagine investing $100 into VGT every week for 30 years, and it continues to deliver its historical 22% annual returns. By the end of that period, your portfolio could grow to over $9 million. That's the power of VGT. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like and subscribe for more.